Hygiene stuff them the man them thief, brother. Me I tell a dog. Some boy bad man. You see now? When you tell Merc still, you know, sandals me I do some Merc, you know. You see before that Merc a princess and real. Now, look at who you when the tourists them see my face taste, brother, for my own thing. Little batty boy then give me 32 stitches in my face. You see me I say? I don't know no more people.
You see them viewers, bad mind get the best of them. Imagine you try elevate out of the little ghetto where you live in and the same boy them where you born and grow with. I try dirty for your things. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Cop Killa get charged for the murder of Corporal Smith+, plus man dead in a hit and run a Mandeville. So before me jump into the reason I make you know what I go on, pre this.
Yeah, my social media family, I know say a long time I don't see me, see me? Yeah man, I see how my face there. Some little batty boy in a village of my brother. Sit down and watch me I go work every day, see me? Looking at my house and thief, me look at thing them, thief, me look at equipment them. Look like all my matches them did want thief, see? Secure up the door, them lodge a complain, gone back and work again. 2 more days down the line, all of my thing them on my buy back. Pussy them thief again. Stay so boom one day and guys stood there and circle back. About 7 o'clock I hold a nap. Zane with the door open, drop asleep. Boy then yes me get pay man. Come in a my house for my man. 2 of them in a yard, 1 of them in a house. Wake up the boy cut me across my face man. You see me? I time I couldn't go so boom and try help myself and sitting them run out and reach on the hospital, come back and look at fridge. My washing machine. I look like hygiene stuff them the man them thief, brother. Me I tell a dog. Some boy bad man. You see now? When you tell Merc still, you know, sandals me I do some Merc, you know. You see before that Merc a princess and real. Now, look at who you when the tourists them see my face taste, brother, for my own thing. Little batty boy then give me 32 stitches in my face. You see me I say?
When you hear that, my viewers, bad mind get the best of them. When you see why I always say the ghetto will always be the ghetto. Not change no day of them place there, brother. And you have to take away yourself and go out there go make a change. Cause look at my viewers. You live in a ghetto. You get a little work. You try elevate out of the ghetto. Buy up your little thing, them a try make your life more better. I try change your life. And the boy them sit down and a pray, you know. I watch you know. Every dollar where you make, you know, the boy them a count it, you know. And see it there. Them go bust the youth face now. 32 stitches in the youth face. And wanna think. At the same man them in the community I do this to the youth, you know. And if the youth not take away himself, you know, a dirt them a go dirt him, you know. Him no see say pick them a pick pan him. Chew them see say him a weak fence. And probably him not no family where a murderer or gunman in the place for defend him badness. So see it my people. Things set away boy. The ghetto will always be the ghetto. And as we may say, brother, take away yourself. Where you think I got me when them see that video, yeah? Where you think them a go come back, come do to you again, bro? Better you just lift up, brother. You don't have nothing to prove to no man. You hear that? Cause we don't see where I go on boy already, you know. You have all type of waste man the boy and low life bad boy the boy, you know. We have it say, them nah go look no work. And the residents them a target. And who know, I go make them get rich. Extortion and robbery. So see them people, tell me what you think about that one day and walk with me and now. See the cop killer ya, him get charged for murder Corporal Smith at the gas station on Beachwood Avenue and did a try flee the island for go Bahamas and squaddy them hold him quick and fast. My people, the cop killer go up on ID parade and the witness pint him out. So see it ya now. When me always tell the youth them say, a dead house or jail house, you know. And in that case, yeah, the cop killer got dead in a jail house. So get to youth, no loyalty, no inner badness. What do you think happened to the cop killer? Him own a friend them push him out. Him own a woman them push him out. Cause remember this, cop killer no last boy for long. So see me my people, him dirt Corporal Smith. And now, him gonna go do the time. So no walk with me again. We are gonna Mandeville now. We see a man dead in a hit and run on the Manchester Road. My viewers, I wagwan boy. The island curse, life a sell a shop, make every day so people life does a go down the drain. When I know 9 ball in a head, I crash the people, them a crash and dead. Nobody now watch the road. Nobody no care about nobody life a road. Cause the brother yeah, them lick him down a road and they ever stop to see who them lick down. A smarty else we did a pass, stumble up on him and call police them. So see it my people, it's a bloody Christmas. You hear that? And I hope you stay safe out there. Protect phone 3 points out there. Cause any moment you can hear boop and another one drop on them face again. Cause the body them just a pile up boy. Yeah. So until next time, stay safe out there. You don't know the code of road. Life over death. You see me?